Hello there guys, and today we've come to check out Alvor. It's the 26th of November, it's 1 p.m, it's about 22 degrees, so let's check it out and see if it's worth it. Come and join me. We'll start the walk off at the top of the cobbled streets. Got a nice little snack bar cafe there. It looks really nice. The first restaurant we come to, it's got happy hour, large beer €3, daily 3 wild 10. That's more than happy hour, it's happy day that, isn't it? The Lyric, this one's called. There's quite a few people in it. And there's quite a few people, can't even speak, there's quite a few people milling about. Shops are open again in lunchtime. Everywhere I've gone at the minute, it's all open at lunchtime, the shops. I know where I'm from, 1 mile 3, they shut religiously. Mini Mercado. There you go guys. People in the shorts and t-shirts still. It's nice to see. There's a cocktail bar and restaurant. Snacks, sandwiches, hamburgers, baguettes. And then I think down that way you can get to the marina, which we'll pop and see it in a minute. You may actually be able to get to it at the end of this, not too sure. Here's my first time here guys. So if any of our viewers are familiar with Alvor and you could recommend some restaurants to us, I'd be more than grateful guys. Just drop a message in the comments below. You can do a review on a couple of them. Yeah, it's quite oldie worldy, I like it. Our pizzeria is closed. This one looks nice. Adiga de Alvor, Marisqueira, so it's a fish restaurant. These are locals. Yeah, as you can say they're locals, you can tell because they're all got the fur coats on, all the winter gear on. I think maybe let's make the marina from here. Oh, Toro promotions, table for two. 2 tapas, 2 steaks, bottle of wine, €50 per couple. That's not bad at all, that. Pizzas and pastas to take away. You see the beach in the background there. There's a couple of beach bars down there. I did pop down there when I first arrived. There's none of them are open though, but the beach does look lovely. Got snack bar Vista Mar. From the marina is a bit of a trek up the hill. Quite steep. So if you're not good on your feet, you're better off getting dropped off down here and picked back up again. So as we approach the marina, this is where they do all the boat tours. You can hire windsurfing equipment. Alvor Kite Centre. Looks like the fishing huts are at the back there. And check that out guys. Absolutely lovely. Have a walk along, see what's open. There's a restaurant at the very far end down there that I want to check out. It's got really good reviews on it. It's very pretty. Yeah, at this end of the marina, looks like bars and restaurants are closed. Yeah, restaurant, pizzeria and creperie, that's also closed. But it looks like there's something going on at the very end. We'll go and check it out. Now we have been getting lots of questions. What's the weather like November and December? I mean, apart from Storm Claudia, we do normally get nice days, November, December. Pretty chilly in the morning, and then from 5 o'clock in the evening the temperature drops drastically. But 12:05, you're looking at the 20s, low 20s. As you can see, people in the shorts and t-shirt. So this one's pretty busy. It smells delicious. Smell fish on the barbecue. Cracking view of the marina. Wining and dining. Yep. This one's very busy. What's the name of this one? Really nice restaurant. Grilled sardines, salads, toasties. It's a little pop inside. Free Wi-Fi. And that's the interior. But everyone's al fresco dining today. Absolutely beautiful, that. Couple of stunning speedboats in the background there. I'll walk up the hill up here and see what we can see. That's nice, the fishermen at the roundabout. Ababuja, if I'm pronouncing it right, it's a seafood. That's closed. Casa de Mer, that's also closed. I would imagine this is bustling in the summer. I will come back and do one at peak season. There's one little open here, Oaco de Velha. Is it open? No, that looks like it's closed as well. There's a little one on our left here, Ancora Bar. I think it caters for the British, this. It's got the football on. Cocktail menu. Yeah, like a little sports bar, that. Sunset Bar, that closed. And we've got an Italian restaurant here as well, also closed. It's really oldie worldy though, I like it. I'll pop and see if we can find a couple more streets with bars and restaurants in. Well, I nearly missed this street. At the Fisherman's Rest. A Lotta restaurant. A few people in there. The guy just come up to me and said, "You filming me?" I said, "No, I'm filming the restaurant." It looks a nice restaurant, A Lotta. There's a few people in there. It's got Lusitania. I have heard a lot about that. That's got some great reviews, this place. Mediterranean and organic fusion. We've got an Italian restaurant that's closed. There's quite a few restaurants up here actually. Fastino's steak restaurant. Got the sports cafe bar is open, but not many in it. Pepperoni Italian restaurant. Lunchtime menu, €14. Not bad at all. That's when it's open. Got Stars cocktail bar, also closed. But all the shops are open. All the souvenir stalls. The Cuban bar. Very cute though. Vagabond Steakhouse. Another Italian restaurant. Leinster House, a little pub. Beer garden as well. Sally cocktail bar, that's closed as well. We've got the Alvor garden restaurant Italian bar. And then we're back to the main street. Well, I'm just wandering about willy-nilly. Never been here before. Just spotted the church. It's a really nice building. Very nice. Some lovely little back streets. And all the cubist houses again. Well, I've worked my way out the back streets to the main road. And we've got the Eden Alvor Hotel. It's supposed to have crazy golf in there. Let's see if they'll let us in and check it out. Yeah, it looks a nice hotel. A few people chilling out on the terrace. Let's have a look at the crazy golf. They've got the boxing machine. I can hear voices. Wow. Look at the gorilla up there. Looks a really nice place. So you can check the swimming pool out. Maybe sneak up these stairs. Oh, check that out, guys. Heated pool. Really nice. Lovely that. Only small, but really nice. It's okay. Oh no, it's okay. So you got the terrace there. Well, unfortunately, she didn't want me to film. I suppose I should have asked really at first. But anyway, if you'd like this little walk-in tour of Alvor, hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button, guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.